Sick of your portfolio getting wrecked? The market's flipping, and I'm spilling the secrets to moonshot any crypto and cash out massive bags. Enough delusion. Pump fun alone won't rocket your shitcoin. Drop the hopium and switch to tactics that actually deliver gains. Through Photon's lens, Pump Fun looks like a ghost town of abandoned coins. Latest hot tokens, such as Pump and BTC, are already circling the drain. It's transformed into a junkyard for failed projects. About as far from ideal as you can get. Raydium's exploding right now. Get in before you miss out. Just 4 new tokens launched in the last 5 minutes. Those liquidity numbers, pure insanity. Let's be real, winning on Raydium takes elite trader abilities. Only the most rock-solid projects make waves here, pulling both crypto heavyweights and sharp-eyed flippers. That's the Raydium advantage. You gonna step up or sit this one out? Launch Tool just nuked the old Raydium playbook. Coding skills? Optional. I'm taking meme coins from meme to market in under 3 minutes flat. Been riding this wave daily for a full month. Green candles only, no losses in sight. Step 1. Pop open Canva and make that 128 by 128 workspace. Still obsessing over Mbappe's magic, so this coin's gonna scream football royalty. Couple clicks later. Voila, just pumped out a pro-grade emblem faster than Mbappe dribbles past defenders. Logo's good to go, time to launch. Start Launch Tool and connect your wallet. Now the fun begins, creating your token's identity. I'm calling this one Mbappe for the name and symbol. Description field, leave it bare, 0 value add. Slap on your pro logo in advance. Don't second guess the supply. Defaults are gold. Full steam ahead. Creator information is optional. If you really want it, you can spend 0.1 Solana, but it's better for you to save some money and deselect it. Click skip. Same thing for social media links. If you want it, you can put it inside, but mainly buyers of your token will be coming from Raydium. You don't need any social media exposure. Click skip. This is actually a crucial step. You might be tempted to save yourself 0.3 Solana here, but these are major security checks for your coin. You need to know that potential investors can see if these authority checks are disabled, and if you actually revoke these, nobody will invest in your token. If you have an option to freeze transactions, increase supply, and update stuff about your token, leave it as is and click Launch My Token Now. Launch successful. Finalize that approval. Your token just entered the Solana universe. Now, let's verify it on SolScan. Audit every line before investors start poking. Validation finished? Now we cook. Liquidity isn't optional. It's what makes your token more than just a receipt for burned Solana. Thinking of cutting corners? Say hello to your very own digital museum piece. Beautiful, but completely useless. Back to Launch Tool. Smash that Create Liquidity Pool option like your profits depend on it, because they do. You'll be redirected to Raydium. Pick your meme token as the base, drop in that address from Launch Tool, then lock in the name and symbol. I'll use Mbappe as the symbol and name for this time. Hit Add User Token to verify and keep rolling. We initially created 1 billion tokens. Just put 900 million to the liquidity pool. Set Solana as the quote token and click Max. Keep 0.2 Solana for transaction fees. Remember, you are the first buyer of your token, so there is no way you can lose money with this. For the fee tier setting, change it to 2%. When we have everything ready, the next thing is to click on Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. After that, your coin will be available for trading and get ready for some insane profits. We just cracked Photon's top 10. While normies panic as volume rockets, we're executing next-level plays. These elite chart strategies will have you stacking gains, while pretenders trip over their own hype. Touchdown after touchdown. This is how winners run up the score. Go to Deck Screener and select any random coin, then copy your token address in Launch Tool and paste it in Deck Screener URL. Boom, instant Deegan Command Center. Stay glued to those liquidity metrics. Pro tip, Raydium's portfolio view sometimes needs 5 to 10 minutes of refreshing before it stops playing hard to get. We are off to an excellent start. We have had a lot of buys that have raised about $120, which gives us a good liquidity of almost $800 and a market cap of $676 in just 2 minutes. We have a good buy for almost $55, which increases our liquidity to $841 and our market cap to $748 in just 9 minutes. Another good buy for more than $60. Our liquidity has reached $868 and our market capitalization has reached $786. With these numbers, we can go to withdraw our liquidity. Access Raydium Standard Mode, your Mission Control Center. Click the minus button, max out the withdrawal slider to full combat readiness, and initiate liquidity pool extraction. Monitor that Solana reserve like your life depends on it, because it does. Confirm the operation, verify the wallet prompt, and watch your assets retreat to safety. Charts are going full supernova. Lock eyes with those digits until your screen burns. My bag 2x'd before I finished my coffee. The insanity? This printer works for anyone smart enough to hit copy/paste. Stay locked in, keep stacking, and let compounding do the heavy lifting until your bloodline's financially bulletproof. The stars have finally aligned, but the market's moving at warp speed. This arbitrage play could completely reset your net worth before breakfast. Just so you know, this video is for educational purposes only. Ready to rewrite the rules entirely? This is the paradigm shift. Strike with precision. This advantage has an expiration date. Drop a fire emoji if you're cashing out and share the alpha.